Welcome to Mqlrobot EAS. In this video, we'll walk through the structure of the ADX Smart Grid MTG EA, built inside FXdreema. This expert advisor combines the average directional index, ADX, with a smart grid trading system, aiming to capture strong directional moves while managing orders through a layered grid approach. Here's how the strategy works in principle. The EA monitors market conditions using the ADX indicator. When the ADX value rises above a set threshold, it signals a strong trend. At the same time, the system evaluates directional inputs, the DI plus and DI minus lines, to determine whether to open buy or sell orders. Once conditions are met, the EA places pending orders in a grid formation, with dynamic lot sizing that can multiply based on predefined settings. To control risk, the EA allows customization of lot size, stop loss, take profit, grid spacing, and maximum grid levels. Profitable trades are closed automatically when conditions are satisfied, and pending orders can be cleared if the market reverses. This structure gives traders flexibility while using a grid strategy that adapts to market momentum. A very important reminder: this EA is a trading tool, not a guarantee of profits. Grid trading carries significant risks if not managed properly. Before using it on a live account, always make sure to fully understand the strategy, its potential drawdowns, and the importance of proper money management. We strongly recommend running a backtest with 99.9% tick data and forward testing on demo accounts to evaluate performance under different market conditions. If you're interested in learning more, check out the product page linked in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to Mqlrobot EAS for more tutorials in the playlist Build a Forex EA Robot, no code FXdreema. Thank you for watching, and trade safe.